Dear viewers, good evening. My name is Kapil, and I'm here again to share insights about another initiative of Sarwarth. But before doing that, let me share today's date, which is very important to share. Today is 30th of September 2024, and the time exactly is right now 6:57. And now you might be wondering that why I'm sharing all of these details, the date and time, because I personally believe that this content that we're recording right now is going to be part of history, so that the future generation who are going to look for it, they might not be required to put an additional amount of effort to just search that when this content was recorded. So you can say thanks me to me in future whenever you'll be watching this recording. But now let me come right away to the topic. So the topic is all about another initiative, an act of Sarwarth, which is for the community, for the people who are going to look towards Sarwarth from a thought process perspective as well. But before I start getting into the details, let me share something which I wrote today, just a couple of hours back, because that is how I try to think about the things, whatever are new happening around me. So these lines, which I'm going to say right now, are going to be in Hindi. And contrary to my traditional style of adding explanation to the poetry, this time I'm just going to say the poetry because this was requested by my colleagues, my friend Himanshi as well, that I should not be adding a lot of explanation to the poetry. So I'm going to give it a first attempt today. So be with me in case something goes here and there. We'll see how it goes. So the poetry starts like this. अरबों रहस्यों से घिरा हुआ है ये हमारा ब्रह्मांड, अरबों रहस्यों से घिरा हुआ है ये हमारा ब्रह्मांड, कैसे और कब जान पाएंगे कि किसने किया है इस सृष्टि का निर्माण। अरबों रहस्यों से घिरा हुआ है ये हमारा ब्रह्मांड, कैसे और कब जान पाएंगे कि किसने किया है इस सृष्टि का निर्माण। आपको भी क्या लगता है हर सत्य को अपनाने से पहले एक पुख्ता प्रमाण? तो आओ लौट चले हम टटोलने अपने वेदों और पुराणों को, क्योंकि वहीं मिलेगा हर प्रश्न के उत्तर का संज्ञान। उसी दिशा में अब सर्वार्थ भी निकल पड़ा है करने एक और सर्वार्थ का काम। सो लेट मी सी व्हाट सर्वार्थ काम इज देयर। सॉरी हिमांशी फॉर एडिंग द एक्सप्लेनेशन अगेन। ले पाएंगे जिससे हम बहुमुखी प्रतिभाओं से सुसज्जित शख्सियतों की जीवनी से प्रेरणा और सही उद्देश्यों का ज्ञान। सो आई एम रिपीटिंग द लास्ट टू लाइन्स। उसी दिशा में अब सर्वार्थ भी निकल पड़ा है करने एक और सर्वार्थ का काम। ले पाएंगे जिससे हम बहुमुखी प्रतिभाओं से सुसज्जित शख्सियतों की जीवनी से प्रेरणा और सही उद्देश्यों का ज्ञान। ढूंढने बैठे जब सर्वार्थवासी इसके लिए सही तरीका और नाम, ढूंढने बैठे थे जब सर्वार्थवासी इसके लिए सही तरीका और नाम, तभी निकल के आया कि करना होगा हमें अन्वीक्षकी बन के अन्वेषण के पथ का निर्माण। So what this is all about is, Anvikshaki is called a science of inquiry. So we as Sarwarth are starting an initiative where we will be inviting the personalities from different perspectives to come and have a discussion and conversation with us, so that this act of inquiry can enlighten the path of the people in the future who are going to refer this content. And I am personally feeling privileged, proud and super happy that I am getting an opportunity to drive this initiative. So I'm looking forward to see the personalities coming on board and learning from them, from their experiences through this art of doing the inquiry in a very, very traditional way that is mentioned in our historic texts, in our Vedas and Puranas as well. So looking forward to see you all. If you are interested to participate from your side itself, feel free to write to us and we'll be happy to have a conversation and see how we can host you. Thank you very much.